Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you guys never seen me before, my name is Asada, and I have a newborn baby, and right now I'm trying to finish doing the dishes right now. As you can see, some of her bottles are clean already, and I'm doing the tops, and then we're gonna put them in the sterilizer. Don't mind my edges. That's black hair for you. That is black hair for you when you don't lay it. So it's all good because my braids just got done 2 days ago. So just know I'm cute when I put my edges on, when I lay my edges. So anyways, my baby is wrapped in the baby katan, and this is just the way it has to be because with all other newborns, they don't like to be put down. So I just do everything with her in it, you know. Keep her at a safe distance from the water. Turn that off. Keep her at a safe distance from the water. And we just do what we gotta do. We clean, we cook, we do everything. Nothing? Yes, so we clean, we cook, we do everything. And quite simple. I can show you guys how to put it on, but there are plenty other videos on how to do it, but I'll probably show you guys how I do it. Oh, sister girl just moved. I think she's waking up. That's the cost of not wanting to be putting on crib. You just gotta deal with whatever noise that's around. Since she don't want to go in her own crib. Oh, this is a breast pump piece. I am pumping pumping my milk. I am debating on when I want to start formula with her. Right now it's just breast milk, which is good because I produce a lot of milk, thank God, you know. And she's happy with that. So I'm about to show you guys a gadget, one of my favorite gadgets with having a newborn. I'm actually gonna make a video on the most used things for newborns one day this week. But yeah, this is pieces to the sterilizer, so we hand wash everything. And this is where you put the small pieces. So I put the tops in this part. See how it has the holes and stuff. And then we place the bottles and the big pieces in this part. She's asleep now. I should be able to go and put her down. I'm also debating on making a video. You gotta make sure these pieces are really clean. Debating on making a video about a affordable nursery items. Yes. You know how you gotta like stare at your newborn and check to see if they're alive? Even though she's on my chest, I still do it. Anyways. These valve pieces always end up so dirty and nasty. You know, you gotta get in there. You don't want no dirty breast milk. But yeah, we're planning on showing you her nursery corner. We have a space in our room for all her stuff. She has her own closet. She have a lot of stuff. And I actually think I might want to make a video on organizing that closet because it's just so much is going on. First of all, she has so much laundry because she has so much clothes that she was gifted that I need all those clothes to be clean. See, and then you stack it like this and then you put it on. Let me show you that. I'm actually just going to turn the device around. But yeah, I want all her clothes to be clean so I can organize it by size and get little storage containers and really, so this is the machine parts and you put water and you see you can sterilize, dry, warm milk, heat foods, and you can sterilize and dry separately. And then we just, hold on y'all, you just put the piece on top. It just sits right on top. Oh, it's off. Okay, let me turn it on. Okay, so I plugged it in now. You just press the on button and we're just gonna put sterilize and dry. Yep. And it's called, I think, Olmark, but we got it, well, as a gift from Amazon, and I think it was like $78. Very good, very, very good, to the point where you don't even need one of these. We was gifted this, well, we was gifted money, and we bought this because we thought we was gonna need it. But this works much faster, it dries everything and sterilizes it. So, yes, still sleeping. And I made in a crock pot today some chicken tacos. Doesn't that look so good? It smells good. Oh, baby has to eat. Hey y'all, it is 2:50 p.m. right now. I woke up really late. Beware, if you're not ready to have that type of responsibility, don't have kids. Don't do it. Don't do it. Anyways, I am up. My hubby has Hosanna out in the living room. I'm in our room, and I'm about to start cleaning up. This is a part of my get ready with me. I wake up around, we alternate, but yesterday or this morning, woke up around 3:30, fed her, put her back down, and then we alternated with feeding and changes. And I finally got out of my bed like 1 o'clock, and I ate, and now I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna get dressed and go run errands. But this part of my get ready with me, I'm just quickly cleaning up the room, and then I am getting dressed. I'm going to do my edges. I might do my eyebrows. I might. And show you guys what I look like after, because I'm gonna go out with my girl and do some stuff to prepare for someone's, can't really say, but you guys might see it. I might record that day. I might record that day so you guys can see it's something's coming up. Something's coming up. Anyways, this is the bed. See if I can crop you guys up. Organizing her closet. Look at all the laundry she has. This is, let me put it this way because it's cute. Thank you, Leslie, for buying this, gifting this. All of this is filled with new clothes that we didn't get the chance to wash just yet. These are her passies. So this is how I have my hair. I just have to do my edges. I'm going to, I guess, show you guys that. But it's either I wear leggings. No, my leggings are maternity leggings, but that's fine. You can't really tell the difference. Yes, I'm gonna wear leggings. And put those on right now. So bright in this room. So bright. Oh.